Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. And one of the reasons why I always say that in all my videos, I can't stand when I'm looking up something and someone's spending 20 minutes talking about their dog or their goldfish or some stupid crap. We like to get straight to the point. You're in a situation, we want to help you. And we want you to look at our videos, and almost in 30 seconds, we're directly talking about what it is. With that being said, I'm just going to give you a mechanic tip, an AC tip actually. If your vehicle is full of Freon, your compressor is working properly, but it gets hot and it gets cold, it gets hot, it gets cold, it gets hot, it gets cold, and it's completely imbalanced, and you do not know why, one of the things you need to check, which mine is back here, let me see if I can focus on it. Kind of hard because it's way back there. But it's going to be the expansion valve, which is way back here. It's silver. It's kind of hard. There it is right there. There's the two lines coming out of it. The big one is the low pressure and the big one is the high pressure. If your expansion valve is bad or going bad, you're going to experience one day it's hot and the next thing is cold, and it's hot and it's cold and it's going back and forth. When you change your compressor, for the love of God, do not just change your compressor. You're not going to get a warranty from our company or any professional company that I know of, due to the fact that the manufacturer will not offer a warranty if you do not change the expansion valve or the AC receiver and dryer. You will not get a warranty. The receiver and dryer takes out moisture out of the system. Moisture is the Achilles heel of an air conditioning system. Yes, you can put a compressor in there. You can slap some Freon in there. But 9 times out of 10, one way or Sunday, your air conditioning system will fail. When that happens, you're risking throwing bad Freon in the system and particles of the compressor itself. Don't do it. Just change the receiver and dryer with your compressor and put it under a vacuum. A vacuum will get all the moisture out. And also, when this car was actually done, we changed the, go to Rock Auto. We don't get sponsored by anything we're saying. We changed the condenser, we changed the compressor, we changed the expansion valve, and we changed all of the O-rings. And the receiver and dryer came with the condenser. And that's one of the reasons why we did the way we did it. And this was done last year, and this customer has zero problems with this vehicle, air conditioning wise. They had other issues like they needed a ground cable, but nothing that we have done. We do things on long term. If this customer had said, oh yeah, just change the compressor, we would refuse the job. Nobody's going to give you a warranty that's of any professional, and you're not going to get a warranty where you bought it from. They're going to ask you to change the receiver and dryer, bare minimum. But we do everything as a package because we want everything done right the first time. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, we have a new feature. You can hit the join button. When you hit the join button and join our, not subscribing, but when you join as a member, you will get first dibs on the videos that come out. So in other words, you will get 2 or 3 days ahead before anybody else can see the videos. You'll also get a special shout out on the video, and anything you say will be priority comments. We just put this out there, so we're just letting you know we're just getting more and more and more in tune with the customers. Also, if anybody has any tools or any software you want us to check out, our mailing address will be in the video. A lot of the stuff that we have, customers have sent to us or companies have sent to us, and we do our reviews, and we're going to tell the truth. We're not going to lie. No one's going to pay us to tell us anything other than the way it is. Thank you.